Hey guys, it's Steve here at Hankster's Hot Rods, and before we get to our newest addition to our inventory, we're going to go over some new things that we're doing here at Hankster's. If you want to purchase a car from us and you see it on the website and maybe it doesn't have quite all the options you would like it to have, maybe you want to put air conditioning in the vehicle. We do vintage air kits here. Maybe you want to do fuel injection, tires and wheels, exhaust, stripes, hoods, gauges, so on and so on. Give us a call, we'll get you a quote of what it would cost to add that feature to the vehicle and make it perfect for you. Also, we want to remind everyone of a few things. We do have shipping and powertrain warranty on mostly all of our vehicles on the website. Our powertrain warranty is 3 months or 3,000 miles of the engine transmission differential, internally lubricated parts only. Or if you have a four-wheel drive vehicle from us, it would be the transfer case and front differential as well. We also have shipping included in mostly all of our vehicles on the website there. That's in the 48 states. We'll get it shipped out right to your home. If you want to go on YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can see current videos of our vehicles and some past videos of vehicles that we've had to get a sense of the inventory that we have here at Hankster's. We also have financing for our vehicles. You go on our website at www.hanksters.com. You'll see next to our vehicles, we have a financing tab. You just click on that tab, fill out the application, hit enter or submit down at the bottom left. Gets sent to us, we send it out, and we go from there. Well, what we're gonna do now, everyone, we're gonna move on to our newest addition. It's a pretty unique vehicle. This is a 1994 Ford Mustang Cobra official pace car. Convertible, only 1,000 of these were made. This one is in the correct color. It had came in of Rio Red, and you're going to see the decals and so on around the vehicle, and we're going to go over that as we do our walk around on it. Starting right here, you're going to see initially the Indianapolis Motor Speedway decals. Of course, that is at the corner of both front fenders. Wheels and the tires here, the wheels are the original aluminum Cobra rally wheels that had come on the vehicle. Of course, you can see the Cobra calipers shining through there. Coming on back, you can see the Cobra emblem here on the fender. Of course, that is on both sides as well. What we're going to do now is address our first gap of the driver's side, from the driver fender to the driver door. Very even going down. All your body lines line up fantastic. And of course, you got the factory ground effects there as well. Our driver's side of our windshield, no chips and cracks. The paint on the car is in great shape, has a really nice high gloss the whole way around. Now in the driver's door, you're going to see the main decals here. We got our Indianapolis Motor Speedway decal here with our official pace car at Indianapolis 500, May 29th of 1994 to 78th Indianapolis 500. Of course, these are on both sides as well. They made 1,000 of these pace cars with, of course, those decals on and so on. Coming up to our second gap before we go any further with the inside and the other features, driver's side door to driver's side quarter panel. Very even going down. Your body lines line up fantastic. They just line up great. They're right on the money there. You got the factory ducting right there in the quarter panel as well. Now, obviously, this car is a convertible. It does have a tan convertible canvas top that comes up, which we'll have the pictures on the website for you. Inside here, what I'm going to do now before I move on to the little feature in the back, I'm going to open up the driver's side door. It does have the power lumbar front seats. It is the leather bucket seats in the front there with the Indianapolis 500 logo embroidered into the top backs of the seats. The interior is in great shape. Center console, carpeting, dash, all in great condition. It has the Mach 460 stereo system in it. 5-speed manual shift on the floor. It is a power top. Tilt wheel, airbags, fantastic condition. Very, very nice condition. The seats are in great shape. Carpeting and so on. Now, a little feature we're going to go over here in the back is this car comes with an added feature. It comes with this Targa style top here. It is a shell, fiberglass shell. You do have the other section here in the front. It is the same color as the vehicle. Of course, the back seats are there as well. It covers up the back seats, does a little indentation into the middle here, fastens down in the seat belts. Really, really cool little option that comes with the vehicle. We were provided this by the previous owner. It's just an awesome, pretty pricey little neat feature that also comes with this car. We got our Indianapolis 500 decals here. Of course, again, that is on both sides, and we got the Cobra only rear trunk mounted wing. Coming around to the back, you'll see down at the bottom, we got our dual exhaust with our polished tips. Our back bumper fascia is in great shape. Everything back here, our tail light lenses, both sides, I don't see any chips and cracks. Those are in great condition as well. And our trunk gapping parallel to the quarter panels on both sides is also very nice shape. What I'm going to do now is we're going to open up the trunk. And we'll go over everything in here. Underneath the trunk lid, it is body color. You can see our jams, great condition. Our weather stripping, intact, fantastic shape. Shocks work great. Everything very nice condition. Down here in the trunk floor, we got a couple other things here. We do have the floor mats that go with the vehicle. You can see they are the Cobra floor mats. The carpeting down in the trunk, fantastic shape. Also, we have the original stickers, decals for the side of the vehicle that were never put on. And then new ones were ordered because these ones have been folded up so long, and new ones were installed on the side of the vehicle. Whoop. Down here inside the trunk floor as well, I do want to show you. We do have the spare tire and jack. And you can see that the trunk floor itself is in fantastic shape as the rest of the vehicle. Moving along. Coming over to the passenger side. Again, the paint on the car, great shape. There's our Indianapolis 500 decal. And of course, what we're going to do now is move on to our first gap of the passenger side. Quarter panel to door. Very even. Body lines line up. Fantastic, just like the other side. Of course, there's our quarter panel duct. Factory ground effects here. And of course, again, here's our side decals. Just like the other side, got your Indy 500 logo here, and then your official pace car and date, so on, right there on the door. What I'm going to do now is open up the passenger side door so we can look at the interior from this point of view. Again, power lumbar on this side as well. Fantastic condition. The floor, the center console. The shifter, you can see the seats are in great shape. The dash, very, very nice. The carpet's in great condition. The door jambs, very nice shape. Also, we do have dual mirrors on both sides. Our passenger side of our windshield, no chips and cracks. Our gapping from our fenders to our hood, very even on both sides. Of course, we got the factory dual snorkel hood there. Coming along to the front of the vehicle. Of course, we being a Cobra, we got the front fascia with the fog lights here. Front fascia is in great shape, couple little dots here and there, but overall great condition. You got the front plate holder, your prancing pony there. The light lenses are in great condition. I don't see any cracks or anything on those either. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop the hood and we'll go over everything in the engine bay. Under the hood, of course, pretty much all factory. We have all our fire material here, all fastened very nicely. Of course, under here, everything pretty much stock. What we have engine-wise is a 302 liter 5.0 liter 302 Ford small block V8. This is the Cobra engine, of course, as you can see here on the upper intake plenum with the Cobra placard there. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. If you notice here, the plug wires are still listed 1994. I just wanted to point that out. That's pretty the original wires there. Very, very clean under here. We got the all the stickers all over the air boxes and so on. Great condition. Of course, this one here, everybody knows the 5-liter Cobra engines run very well, and this one being one of the last remaining years for the 5-liter. What we're going to do now, guys, we're going to put this up in the air and show you how nice it is underneath. Hey guys, we got our Mustang up in the air. We're going to go through the undercarriage components as we normally do, floor, so on. Starting at the front, your control arms, everything up here looks to be of stock style. We do have a front sway bar on the vehicle and a rear sway bar on the vehicle. We got disc brakes front and rear, so disc brakes the whole way around. Our front cross member here, great shape. We also have the X support here, and that is also in great condition. Your crossbar here, also present and in great shape. Our front frame sections, great shape there, and great shape there. Our oil pan on our 5-liter V8. Our rear main seal. Our transmission case sections on our Tremec 5-speed. And our output seal are all nice and dry. I don't see any leaks on any of those. We do have dual exhaust coming off the stock manifolds there. You've got your cats here. Coming back into your H-pipe, into your stock mufflers on the way back there, and we'll see those as we get back further. Our transmission cross member, also in great condition. Our floor is very, very nice. The floor in the car is beautiful throughout. I'm going to point it out, but it is very, very nice up here in your transmission area. All great shape. Over here, whole way back, as you can see, you got everything is present. All your embossment, your frame sections, your grommets, your fasteners, your drains, and that is the same on both sides. The whole way throughout, everything is present. Everything looks great. The floor is very, very nice in the car. Coming on back, we do have a balanced drive shaft. Our mufflers here, as you can see, we got our Ford emblems on. These are stock mufflers. We do have right here our rear sway bar, our input seal with the differential and our differential cover seal. Nice and dry, no leaks there either. Our links, very nice and very nice. We do have coil spring suspension on the back. Our upper links also look very good. Our floor up above our drive shaft, as with the rest of it, just looks fantastic. Coming along to the back, stock style shocks. Our tailpipes come up and around and out the back here, as you can see, with the polished tips. As I had mentioned earlier, we've got disc brakes on the back as well as the front. And as I had mentioned, our differential cover seal, as you can see, that is nice and dry, no leaks there. We still have our tag on our rear differential as well. Our floor up above the differential looks fantastic, just like the rest of the car. Our rear frame sections look great. And look great. All in all, very, very nice shape. While I'll mention the fuel tank, we got your fuel tank here, your straps. Both mounting points look good. Straps look good, and the mounting points back here looks great as well, and your floor up above the tank also looks great. All in all, it's very, very nice condition under here. What we're going to do now is we're going to drop it down, fire it up so you can hear the engine run.